Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back after long Diwali vacation. I hope you all must have enjoyed your Diwali vacation to the fullest, right? So now come back to our online lessons. Are you all ready to learn a new lesson today? So welcome back in our today's EVS 2 class. In the previous class, before Diwali vacation, we have learned which lesson we have learned? Do you all remember? We have learned our community life, right? Yes, we have learned the lesson that is our community life. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, but before we proceed further, I would like to ask few questions. I will show you few pictures and you answer the questions. Fine? See, what can you see in this picture, children? This is a water storage tank. Okay? This is a huge water storage tank. And what is the use of this? Do you know that? People get safe drinking water in their houses through pipelines. Okay? So we can get safe drinking water because water is stored in this storage tank. Fine? So people get safe drinking water through the pipelines. Fine? Just tell me, what is this? Yeah, this is a hospital. Hospital provides us different primary healthcare facilities, right? What is this? This is a police station. Police provides us, they always protect people from thieves and robbers. They always maintain peace in the city, right? The next picture, yeah, this is a public toilet. Okay, whenever we go out from our house, outside our house to our native place or somewhere, then we need to use public toilets, right? This is a public transport. Yes, people use this public transport to travel from one place to another. Yes. What is this? Yes, this is a swimming pool. No, your favorite. Yes, you all can swim in this. You all can have fun, right? So this is a swimming pool. Okay. What is this, children? Can you identify? Yes, very good. This is a theater, right? See, whenever we feel bored or whenever new movie releases, then people would like to go to the theater and watch movies, right? There are many good educational or inspirational movies are there. So we can watch these movies going to the theater. Fine, we can go along with our relatives and our friends and we can have fun. Fine. So all these are public services, right? All, see, once again I will show you. This is a water storage tank. This is a hospital or a primary health care center also we can say. This is a police station or police chowki also we can say. This is a public toilet. This is a public transport. This is a swimming pool. This is a theater. Okay. So all these are called as public services. So our next lesson is about these. Okay. About public services for community life. Right? We have already learned about our community life. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about public services for community life. Okay? See, our new lesson is lesson number 21, Public Services for Community Life, Part 1. Yes, now we'll begin with new words. Amenity. Amenity means something that makes it comfortable or enjoyable to live or work somewhere. Amenity means something that makes it comfortable or enjoyable to live or work somewhere. For example, in your society, you may have sports club or swimming pool. So you enjoy playing in the swimming pool. You can have fun, okay, and you can do various exercises. Then you can play games in the sports club. So that means your life is comfortable. Yes. So amenity is something that makes it comfortable or enjoyable to live or work somewhere. Is that clear? Now repeat after me. A-M-E-N-I-T-Y, amenity. A-M-E-N-I-T-Y, amenity. A-M-E-N-I-T-Y, amenity. Local. Local means related to a particular area, region or part. Local means related to a particular area, region or part. Now repeat after me. L-O-C-A-L, local. L-O-C-A-L, local. L-O-C-A-L, local. There are many facilities which need to be provided for everyone. These are known as public facilities. Means people need different kind of facilities to live their life happily. Yes, everybody needs different kind of facilities to live their life happily. So these are known as public facilities. There are many facilities which need to be provided for everyone. These are known as public facilities. Public facilities and amenities are services provided to the public by the local government. I repeat, public facilities and amenities are services provided to the public by the local government. Now, local government means our TMC. Okay, that is, what is the full form of TMC, children? We have discussed this before. Thane Municipal Corporation. Okay, so TMC is our local government and TMC provides all these kinds of public facilities to us. Okay, and that is why we can lead our life happily and smoothly. Fine. So public facilities and amenities are services provided to the public by the local government. Now we'll discuss all these public facilities and amenities one by one. Public facilities and amenities are nothing but public services. Schools. Schools provides education for children. Children can learn different skills in the school. They can read, write, they can go for music, they can learn computers. So different skills they can learn in the schools. Hospitals. Government provides primary health care facilities, different vaccine programs, blood donation camps, expert doctors, and in case if any emergency arise and patients need to be taken to the hospital immediately, then in that case we require an ambulance. So all these facilities are provided by the local government. This is a team of hospital workers. There are doctors, there are nurses and ward boys. They always take care of patients. They give best treatments to the patients. Next is public transport. Public transport. It gives us the facility to travel from one place to another. Government has built different roads and highways. That is why people can go easily and they can go quickly. They can travel easily and quickly. See children, this is a police station, or we can say police chowki also. These are policemen. Police always maintain peace in the city. They always protect people from thieves and robbers. They always maintain traffic. During every public occasion, they make different arrangements so that a common man can lead a peaceful life. This is a public toilet. Children, whenever we go out from our house, that means away from our house, we can use this. There are different public toilets for females and males, so people can use these public toilets. This is a huge water storage tank. Okay, people can get safe drinking water through this, and water is supplied through this huge storage tank using pipelines. Lakhs of liters of water is stored in this huge storage tank. Okay, this is a big water storage tank, and lakhs of liters of water is stored in this, so that people from city, they can use this safe drinking water, and this safe drinking water is supplied through the pipelines. This is a swimming pool. Children, they love playing in the swimming pool. Yes, you all also must be loving, right? Playing in the swimming pool, you can have fun, you can swim easily. Swimming gives us good exercise. Swimming gives us good body exercise. So all these facilities are provided by the local government. In a home, we live with our family. Our life outside the home is our public life. Our life outside the home is our public life. Several services are required for public life to go on smoothly, and that is why people always need different facilities, different services to lead their life peacefully and smoothly. Public facilities are those services which are available to all of us. Each and every citizen of the country can use all these public services because these are for all. These services which are available to all of us. We use several such services like transport, schools, and hospitals. Public services are equally available to all and are meant for everybody. These services are equally available to all and are meant for everybody. Each and every citizen can make use of this all kind of services which are provided by the local government, and that is why we must use them responsibly. We should use these facilities, these services responsibly. Now we'll discuss few more services. Parks, or we can say playgrounds. Children like to go to the playground and play with their friends, right? They can play different games with their friends, and playing with their friends is always a fun. They can enjoy playing different games with their friends, and you can have different exercise, so children become healthy. Fine. Colleges. This facility provides the higher education for children. Colleges provide the higher education for children. Children can learn life lessons in the colleges. It helps them to become a responsible citizen. Banking facility. People can deposit and withdraw money from a bank. I repeat, people can deposit and withdraw money from a bank. Banks also offer loans to needy people. Means if suppose we have to buy a 2 or 3 BHK flat, then that is very costly. It comes up to some lakhs of rupees. So in that case we can apply for a loan. Then bank approves that loan and we can we can buy a nice flat and we can enjoy living in a nice flat. Yes. Postal services. Postal services help us to keep in touch with our friends and relatives. That means we can write letters and send through these postal services. We can send money by using money orders also to our parents, our relatives. Yes, so children, here we have completed our today's discussion. Keep watching videos regularly so that you can clear your doubts. Yes, today we have learnt about public services for community life. So, see you in the next class. Till then, bye. Sai Ram.